Castor oil is everywhere on social media right now. But does it actually work? I've been using it for 6 months, and today I'm showing you 15 proven ways to use castor oil for health, beauty, and even your home. Plus, the science behind it, the myths you need to stop believing, and the mistakes that keep it from working. Whether you're dealing with dry skin, thinning hair, or just want natural wellness solutions, this video has everything you need. Let's get into it. Welcome to Home and Haven Living. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So first, what actually is castor oil? It comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, also called the castor bean. People have used it for over 4,000 years. Ancient Egyptians used it for beauty, and it's a staple in Ayurvedic medicine. The magic ingredient? Ricinoleic acid. It makes up 90% of castor oil and gives it anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and deeply moisturizing properties. Yes, it's thick. Yes, it's sticky. And yes, it has an earthy smell. But trust me, the results are worth it. Types of castor oil: cold pressed, best quality, retains all nutrients. Jamaican black castor oil, roasted beans, amazing for hair growth, organic versus refined. Always choose organic, hexane free. I use cold pressed organic castor oil. It's a bit pricier, but you only need a tiny amount, so one bottle lasts months. Let's talk science for a second, because this isn't just hype. Why it works: ricinoleic acid penetrates deep into skin and hair follicles. Studies show it reduces inflammation, fights bacteria, and promotes healing. For hair growth, it improves blood circulation to the scalp and strengthens hair shafts. For skin, it locks in moisture and helps fade scars and dark spots over time. The thickness? That's actually a benefit. It creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture way better than lighter oils. 15 ways to use castor oil. 1. Hair growth and scalp massage. Massage into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Leave on for 30 minutes or overnight. I've noticed less shedding and baby hairs growing in. 2. Eyelash and eyebrow serum. Apply with a clean spoolie before bed. Be careful not to get it in your eyes. I've been doing this for 3 months. My lashes are noticeably thicker. 3. Deep conditioning hair mask. Mix equal parts castor and coconut oil. Apply to damp hair, focus on ends. Leave for 1 hour, then shampoo twice. 4. Skin moisturizer for dry patches. Perfect for rough elbows, knees, and heels. A little goes a long way. 5. Fade dark spots and scars. Massage into dark spots nightly. It won't happen overnight, but after 4 to 6 weeks, you'll see fading. 6. Oil cleansing for face. Massage into dry skin for 2 minutes, then remove with a warm, damp cloth. Follow with your regular cleanser. Great for removing makeup. 7. Lip balm for chapped lips. Dab a tiny amount on your lips before bed. Wake up with soft, hydrated lips. 8. Nail and cuticle oil. Massage into cuticles daily. Strengthens nails and prevents hangnails. 9. Belly button. Oiling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice is said to improve digestion and skin. Pour 3 to 5 drops into your belly button before bed and massage gently. 10. Foot and heel softener. Slather on your feet, put on cotton socks, and sleep. Your feet will be baby soft in the morning. 11. Joint and muscle massage. Massage into sore joints or muscles. The anti-inflammatory properties help reduce pain. 12. Natural laxative, internal use. Castor oil is FDA approved as a natural laxative, but only use it occasionally and consult your doctor first. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. It works within 2 to 6 hours, so plan accordingly. 13. Leather conditioner. Rub a small amount into leather bags, shoes, or furniture. It conditions and adds shine naturally. 14. Wood polish mix with a little lemon juice and buff into wooden furniture or cutting boards. It nourishes and protects the wood. 15. Stain remover for fabrics. Dab onto tough stains before washing. The thick consistency helps lift grease and oil-based stains. 15 uses from 1 bottle. That's why I always keep castor oil in my home. Common mistakes and myths. Now let's talk about what not to do, because I made these mistakes too. Mistake number 1. Using too much castor oil is thick. You only need a few drops. Start small. You can always add more. I wasted so much product in the beginning. Mistake number 2. Not doing a patch test. Always patch test on your inner arm first. Wait 24 hours. Some people are sensitive to it, and you don't want a reaction on your face. Mistake number 3. Expecting overnight results. This isn't magic, it's nature. Hair growth takes 6 to 8 weeks. Dark spots take 4 to 6 weeks. Consistency is key. Mistake number 4. Buying the wrong type. Avoid hexane extracted or refined oils. They've lost most of their beneficial properties. Always choose cold-pressed, organic. Mistake number 5. Not mixing it. Because it's so thick, mix it with lighter oils like coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. This makes application easier and still gives you all the benefits. Myths to bust. Myth. Castor oil grows hair overnight. Truth. It takes consistent use over 6 to 12 weeks to see visible results. Myth. You can use it on oily skin. Truth. While it can work for oil cleansing, it's best for dry or combination skin. Oily skin types should use sparingly. Myth. All castor oil is the same truth. Quality matters. Cold-pressed, organic, hexane-free is the gold standard. My personal results and tips. Okay, real talk. Here are my results after 6 months of consistent use. Hair. My edges have filled in significantly. Less breakage and shedding. Hair feels thicker and stronger. Skin. Dark spots on my cheeks have faded about 60%. My skin stays moisturized longer. Elbows and knees are no longer dry and rough. Nails. Stronger nails that don't peel anymore. Cuticles look healthier. My top tips. 1. Create a routine. I do scalp massages every Sunday and Wednesday. Consistency beats intensity. 2. Mix it with other oils. My favorite blend, 50% castor oil, 30% coconut oil, 20% rosemary oil for hair growth. 3. Use a dropper bottle. Transfer it to a dropper bottle for easier, mess-free application. 4. Warm it up, rub between your palms to warm it. This makes it less thick and easier to spread. 5. Be patient, natural remedies take time. Trust the process, stay consistent, and document your journey. How to choose and store castor oil. What to look for. Cold-pressed, organic, hexane-free dark glass bottle. Protects from light degradation. Expiration date. Typically 1 to 2 years. Storage tips. Keep in a cool, dark place, not the bathroom. Tightly seal after each use. If it smells rancid or changes color, toss it. So there you have it, the complete guide to castor oil. From ancient Ayurvedic wisdom to modern-day beauty hacks, this one golden bottle truly does it all. We've covered so much today. The science behind why it works, 15 powerful ways to use it for health, beauty, and home, common mistakes that waste your time and money. My real 6-month results, the good and the honest. How to choose quality oil and store it properly. The best part? It's affordable, completely natural, and when you use it consistently, it actually works. Now I'm dying to know, have you tried castor oil? What were your results? Drop a comment and tell me. Which of these 15 uses are you most excited to try? Have you seen results with castor oil before? What natural remedy should I test next? I read every comment and I love learning from this community. Your experiences inspire my next videos. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Get quality cold-pressed, organic castor oil. Step 2. Pick 2 to 3 uses from this video to start with. Step 3. Take before photos. Trust me on this. Step 4. Set a reminder to use it consistently for 6 weeks. Step 5. Come back and share your results with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover natural wellness solutions like this. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We're all about simple, sustainable living with natural remedies that actually work. Stay natural, stay curious, and remember, true wellness begins at home. See you in the next one.